Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're just going to build a very simple 3D printer filament holder. Very basic, very simple. My daughter got a 3D pen for Christmas and she's been just creating all sorts of stuff. I'll try to put some pictures up here in a second. But she's quickly running out of 3D filament. So I bought her 2 big rolls and made her this little stand, and my wife was in the shop helping me today, and she pretty much built it by herself and with a little bit of guidance with me. So stay tuned and see how we build this. Alright, need to tree that up. Table saw.
Why me?
Why not you?
This thing scares me.
So we want to cut it past that, and then...
I don't know what true means. I know what plumb and flush mean, but...
Okay, we need to plumb and flush it. That's the same thing. See how it's kind of wavy against the fence?
Yeah.
You want them straight. That's all we're doing. See how you started fitting it from the fence?
Yeah.
So we need to make another true cut because you cut it crooked. You can feel it right there. So
Because it was started going that way after it got passed through.
Just bump it. Yep. So
My arms aren't long enough.
So when you're doing this, you're pushing down and that way. So you're pushing that. When you're pushing it through, you can move this.
My arms aren't long enough.
That's why you move your hand. You got 2 hands. Thumb there.
My gut.
Or your gut. You got a mark. You know where the blade is going to go because of this kerf line. So you can set that there. Make a little stop. So when you run this piece through, you're going to be holding this piece tight. You're going to turn this all on, push it through, and pull it back, but holding everything. And the blade has to be raised up. I got 2 of them. That'll work. You actually went the right way.
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
That's a reverse fed nut.
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
full power on it. It'll take full power. Push it down. Go.
Let me do it.
Too much power. Here. Hang on, stop. Put it back up there. Straight. Now down. Put a little more effort. Straight. Thank God for the clamps.
Thanks, Guy.
All right, so you made a mistake.
No, I didn't know. Make no.
You made these square and they don't fit in the roll.
You made the damn mistake.
Nope.
You're the teacher.
I would have never made that mistake if you wasn't on film. Or
You're the
here.
teacher.
And even if I did, you would have never known about it. So anyway, I took that over to the lathe, I rounded them. Now it fits in the hole. And flip it over. There should be some little right here. 6 of them, I guess. At least 4. Pretty. So it looks like she can get maybe 2 more. 1 for sure, but maybe 2 more spools. And these will last forever, at least with her, until you buy me a 3D printer.
Whatever.
Will that work?
That's fine.
All right, the project's done. Of course, Andrea don't like to be on camera, so she took off as soon as it got done. But this is a very simple 3D filament holder. My daughter got that 3D pen for Christmas, and she's just been going through this stuff like mad. So I figured I'd get a couple big rolls of the colors that she uses the most, black and white, and then we can expand it to at least 2 more filaments on this particular holder. And if we need to go bigger, we will. And in hopes to actually get a 3D printer someday, this will kind of give me an idea of the material cost and stuff like that. So each one of these rolls was about 20 bucks, Bought them on Amazon. It's PLA Filament 1.75, if that if you care to know about that, but that's what it is. And she can just pull a little bit off of this, stick it in her pin, and the idea is as the pin is going, it can just unravel from the roll without too much complications. So we're going to give this simple design a shot, and in the future hopefully I'll have a 3D printer, and then I'll figure out more of a permanent situation for this. It's just a trial piece really, but it is what it is right now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.